In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make it to where Excel will print your sheets in black and white by default. So never go to the print preview by pressing Control P. By default, Excel will print it in the color of what's in my spreadsheet. But to make it towards this black and white, instead, I can go to the Page Layout tab, and from here, under the Page Setup grouping, you'll see an option for Print Tiles right here. Click on Print Tiles, and then here on the far right, you'll see a tab called Sheet. And under the print setting right here, you can click on black and white. Check that box and press Print Preview, and you can see now the pivot table is printed in black and white, though not necessarily shading like you might imagine if it was an image, for example. Now to change this back, I can go to the Print Tiles, uncheck black and white, go to Print Preview, and now it's back to the default pivot table color. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.